In this lecture, we are going to see an important topic under matrices, that is diagonalization of a matrix. For that, I have taken a matrix A is equal to 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. So for this, the first step is we need to find characteristic equation, and then we have to find out eigenvalues. Afterwards, we need to find eigenvectors. So the first step, I have written the characteristic equation. Answer is lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 45 lambda equal to 0. Directly I have written the answer of characteristic equation, and eigenvalues is lambda equal to 0 315, and eigenvectors values also I have written directly. All the three links given in the description box, you can refer that. The same matrix only here also I have taken. So after these three steps over, we need to go for the step 4. What is our step 4 is, we are going to normalize the eigenvectors. The normalized matrix. See, normalization, first letter n, no? So here we can refer the normalized matrix as capital N is equal to. So capital N, how to write down this? First we will take the first eigenvector. The first element is 1. So write the first element 1 divided by square root of 1 square, first element square, plus next second one is 2. So 2 square plus next element square is 2 square. So likewise the second element also, next element is 2. So 2 by square root of, here I am writing directly 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. That means what? 4 plus 4 plus 1 root 9. And the next element 2 by root 9. Likewise take the next eigenvector x2. x2 also same manner, 2 by square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, that is also root 9, then 1 by root 9, then the next one is minus 2 by root 9. Likewise take the third eigenvector, that is also 2 minus 2 1, so 2 by root 9 and minus 2 by root 9, then 1 by root 9. So this is the normalization of a matrix. This is the way we have to normalize the matrix. So first how to take? First take the eigenvector, first one x1, first element, divided by square root of all the three elements, that is square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. Likewise the second element and the third element, this is only for the first vector. Likewise take the second vector, write it in the second column, take the third vector, write it in the third column. As we know very well that root 9 is nothing but 3. So the n normalized matrix capital N is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. And the next column is 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. The last one is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This is our normalized matrix capital N. In some authors used to write it as P. Normalized matrix P also. It doesn't matter, we can note this one as either N or P also. So after the normalization, what we need to do is, we need to take the transpose of the N. So N transpose is nothing but either rows by column or columns by rows, that is called it as transpose of a matrix. So here we can write that 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Then the second one 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Then the third one 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3. This is the N transpose. Look at this N and N transpose. In both the matrices we can take commonly 1 by 3 outside. So here also we can take the 1 by 3 outside. In N transpose also we can take the 1 by 3 outside. So after this, therefore the diagonalized matrix D is equal to, the formula is N transpose AN. This is the formula for diagonalization. As I told you already that N transpose, already we got the answer. So 1 by 3 into N transpose is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 1. This is our n transpose. A is nothing but given matrix. So 8, minus 6, 2, minus 6, 7, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 3. This is our given matrix A, and then normalized matrix. That is also we can take 1 by 3 outside. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, minus 2, 1. After this, we have to multiply these three matrices. Always when you are multiplying these three matrices, first you take an. We can call it as equation 1. Find the product of A into n matrix first. After that, you take the an matrix with the n transpose. Then only we can get the right answer. So here you can take that 8, minus 6, 2, minus 6, 7, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 3 into 1 by 3, that is n, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 1. So first we need to multiply these two. After this we have to find, see, there is no need to that we have to do it by manually. You can do it by calculator also. Matrix multiplication, that link also given in the description box, so you can refer that. So with that also we can find the value of an. So after find out the an value, back to equation 1, substitute that matrix here, and then you can take the multiplication with the n transpose. The answer should be 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 15. This is our D answer. Therefore, from equation 1, we can get the D answer as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 15. Look at this in all the diagonal elements. These diagonal elements are nothing but our eigenvalues. Our eigenvalues for this question is lambda equal to 0, 3, 15. So always in the diagonalization problems, in the leading diagonal we have only the eigenvalues. This is the procedure for diagonalization. So the procedure, once again I repeat you. First we need to find the characteristic equation, and then eigenvalues, and then eigenvector. After eigenvector we need to normalize the matrix. After the normalization we have to go for the transpose. Then the D formula is D is equal to n transpose an. That is multiplying in this one. First we need to take the multiplication A into n. Then we'll back to equation 1. Substitute the an matrix also. Then multiply with the n transpose. We need to get the answer as always the eigenvalues in the diagonal. This is the procedure for diagonalization. Thank you for watching.